another presentation. For a long time now, we have been presenting different kind of devices that could be used to solve problems. Now, we know that creative imagination is all there is to really design the things we need and to produce things that can solve problems in our world. And for some time now, we raised up a group, the Young Inventors class, and the essence of that group is to teach us, to train us to use our creative imagination to design, to create products that can solve problems. You know that imagination rules the world. And if we must invent, if we must innovate, creative imagination is very important. And here we train ourselves how to use creative imagination with scientific principle to design whatever we desire. So today we have something before us, and these are rocket launchers. Rocket launchers. You had produced one some time ago. Like I've been telling you, you have got to improve upon anything, any device you have made. Today I have seen another device which you have made, that which is an improvement upon the first one you did. So I'm going to call one of you to explain how this device, was made and what it is used for, and what's the difference between this one and the old one you produce. So I'll call up one of you to tell us your name and just go ahead to explain.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
My name is Victor Ubo, and right before me is a rocket launcher.
Rocket launcher,
yes,
right?
And this is a renovation of the old one. This one has speed and it's made of local materials like wood, PVCs, fan belt, and gear system.
All right.
Okay.
It is made of local materials. I can see the wood. I can see the tire made of fan belts.
Yes.
All right. And what is the gear system? That's okay. Does it have lights?
That's like
It can be used in the night.
Yes.
So what is it used for? What problem can it solve?
Nowadays we are using rockets and ballistic missiles for war, for intercontinental war.
All right.
So we need to make some launchers to launch those missiles.
All right.
So we came up with this.
Now, what gives you the inspiration to sit down and think of this? Is it because Nigeria has not been able to produce a thing like this?
Yes.
Right? Yes. And the rest of the world, they have something like this, and they use it to protect their territorial, the waters, their land, and so on. Is that what drives you to produce this?
Yes.
That's awesome. Now, what is this one used?
That's the main launcher.
The main launcher. Now, how can it go? Let's see how it works.
Okay.
You can start by giving them, show me the light. It has lights. It has lights, right? Right? It has lights. It has lights. That's good. It has light. Now we can see the light here. This thing has light. This is ballistic missile launcher, designed here by one of these young inventors. We can see this can be used in the night. It has lights. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is different from the first one that was designed. Now, can it move?
Yes. It can actually move.
It can move.
Yes.
Now let's see how it moves. Right? Right?
Can also reverse.
Can reverse. It's moving faster. It's moving much faster. Right? It's making noise.
Yes.
What kind of noise is that one?
Engine.
Engine.
Yeah.
Let me see it again. Hear it again.
Okay. Let us test the missile launcher.
All right.
These are the real missile rocket launcher.
Okay, let me see. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Do it again. All right. Do it again. Okay. All right.
This one is the main
Okay.
rocket launcher.
Okay, let's see how it works. All right. It takes it up. It goes down. It takes it up. Beautiful. It takes it up. It goes down. This is serious. It takes it up again. It goes down. It takes it up again. Good. That's beautiful. Now, can it move and at the same time carry it up? Right? That's good. That's good. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Now, that thing you use in turning, what job does it do?
This is an electromagnetic generator. It's made
Okay.
of magnet and coil.
It's a kind of hand generator
Yes.
to provide the current that is needed. All right? To provide what? The current that is needed. That's beautiful. This is a very serious project. At least this one can be used to launch missile. Nigeria is one country that is yet to meet up with the rest of the world to produce, military hardware that is needed to defend our territorial, waters, our territorial, integrity. We have got to defend and to sustain that which God has given to us. I'm so happy that today you have come up with such a machine, a prototype that could be used to launch missile. This is awesome. This is wonderful. This is awesome. So now, is there another feature it has? Does it have any other feature?
Yes. They actually turn the steering
The steering?
and direction.
All right. Let's see. When the steering, okay, they can turn the tire. Yes, you can turn. Yeah, that's good. Switch, you can turn, can reverse, and turn. That's good. That's good. That is awesome. If you were to have two of this in hand, you can move, also turn at the same time. That is wonderful. Now we have come to the end of presentation today. We have discovered we can actually produce whatever we want to produce. We can design any device that can solve problems if we can think creatively. And that is what this program, this class is all about. Thank you so very much. And I want to work as a team to produce many more projects. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.